Hey garden friend, welcome back to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor and today I want to show you 10 of the easiest crops you can regrow at home, straight from your kitchen scraps. No seeds, no spending, just scraps and soil. Whether you're gardening on a balcony or in a backyard, these plants are living proof that your next harvest might already be in your trash bin. Let's dive in. First up, green onions. These are the poster child for scrap growing. Just place the white root end in a glass of water. In days you'll see new greens shooting up. Snip and enjoy as they grow. You can keep the base in water or move it to soil for a longer harvest. Next, romaine lettuce. Don't toss that stem. Take the bottom 2 inches of your romaine heart, pop it in a shallow bowl of water, and watch it sprout new leaves from the center within a week. Transfer to soil for a fuller plant. Got a garlic clove that's starting to sprout? Plant it. Each clove can become a whole new bulb. Just bury it pointy side up about 2 inches deep and water it. You'll also get tasty garlic greens along the way. Shriveled potatoes with eyes? Perfect. Cut them into chunks with at least one eye, let them dry for a day or two, then plant them 4 inches deep. They work great in buckets, bags, or garden beds. Leeks work just like green onions. Set the white base in a glass of water, give it sunlight, and in a week you'll see new growth. Carrot tops won't regrow the root, but the greens are edible and amazing in pesto. Place the top inch in water, and you'll have fresh greens in a few days. Celery is super satisfying to regrow. Place the base of your celery bunch in a shallow dish of water. It'll regrow from the center, and you can transplant it to soil once it's strong enough. With bulb onions, just cut so the root end stays intact, let it dry a bit, then plant root side down. New shoots, and even new bulbs, will appear before you know it. Herbs like basil, mint, or cilantro are super easy. Snip a 4-inch piece of stem, strip off the lower leaves, and put it in water. Roots will sprout in about a week. Once rooted, plant it and keep harvesting for months. Ready for a challenge? Try pineapple tops. Twist off the leafy top, remove the lower leaves, let it dry for a day, and place it in water or soil. It takes patience, but yes, you can actually grow a pineapple from that top. From green onions to pineapple, your kitchen is bursting with planting potential. These plants don't just reduce waste, they multiply your harvest for free. Try one, try them all, and let your garden grow smarter, not harder. If this gave you some scrap to soil inspiration, hit like and subscribe to Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor. See you in the next one.